You know, the economic impact in being able to, subsidize all of our activities, our clubs, our athletics, the equity involved in having to make cuts and not give the opportunities to all the students and student athletes, and having to now make choices of to maybe eliminate a C team or freshman team. Just because of the financial impact of it, in paying coaches, transportation, officials, all the support staff that gets those kids on the field or in the band or on the court. That's where we're feeling it the most. We had to make some cuts just for this year that included getting rid of the C teams. And so now you're looking at a population within the student body that might not have the opportunity to be a freshman, be on a freshman basketball team, and be engaged and really enjoy it and have that motivation to, if I don't do my homework, if I don't stay up on my classes, I can't be a part of this team. So the opportunity that could be taken away for those kids to do something they love. The schoolwork is the schoolwork, and they're going to have to do that. That's the foundation. We're setting them up for success there. But then to have that carrot out there is something they really love to do, whether it's the band, the choir, baseball, whatever, volleyball, that is going to be compromised if we don't have this levy in place.